If you're having a hard time with manifesting things that you want, you could be just doing it wrong. So I'm going to teach you in 4 simple, I say simple steps. They're going to take some work, but once you go through these steps, you're going to be able to start changing your life and manifesting the things that you actually want. So the first step is usually a no-brainer. You have to get clear on what you want and ask the universe for it. So in order to do that, I break it down into 6 areas of my life, which include business and career, finances and wealth, love and relationships, wellness like fitness, personal development, and then also any other material items that you want. Because yes, it is okay to manifest material things. You're living a human experience. Enjoy the human things. The next step is something most people don't enjoy doing, and in fact, most people try to bypass this step and still think they can manifest their desires, which is so far from the truth. So do not skip this step. It will be triggering, it is emotional, but it is so worth it, because in order to manifest what you desire, you have to figure out what's been holding you back. What are those limiting beliefs? What are those events and experiences that have happened throughout your life since literally you were born that you have repressed and suppressed? Because all those events and experiences, even though you've kind of, buried them below and you don't even think of them today, those in fact are most likely the things that are holding you from your manifestations, from that reality that you want, from those things that you want to happen for you. So you need to unpack all of that stuff. This is the shadow work, guys. And unpack it all and then release it, let it go, forgive, and then you'll be lighter and you'll have more room to call those things in that you want to manifest. The third step is to align and become a match to those things that you want to manifest. This is all about energy and frequency. So in order to do that, you need to do basically a detox, an audit of your current life. This goes from everything from your schedule, the people you hang out with, the clutter in your home. Let's get rid of all the things that no longer serve us and bring in things that spark joy, that give us ambition, that make us successful every single day. And then the next step is to trust and be open to receiving. Those 2 are huge. Now, you cannot rush the universe. You cannot put a time frame on things that you want to manifest, because time is something us humans made up. It does not exist in the universal reality, okay? It's something we created. So don't put pressure on the universe, because the universe works on its own time. And if you're overwhelmed with everything I just said and you want a step-by-step guide for it, the Manuscripting Journal literally takes you through that entire process.